Okay, so after make it this study table part 3, we are going on part 4, which is door. Okay, so now we can see here we have to make like this one. So for that we are going to make first front plane. Yes, and give it dimensions. Apply here. Yes. Now after verify that dimensions, we have to go in sheet metal and apply base flange. See. Yes, it is created. Now we apply edge flange on all the sides of it. Yes. And click it, and after choose all the sides which we want. Yes, choose it after that. And after apply its dimensions, which is 25. Okay, after okay it. Yes. Now our next thing is that we have, as a designer, we know that in sheet metal this part will be covered by corner or welded part. If you don't aware about that sheet metal, so you can go my videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, now we have to apply again this edge flanges to cover this surface. Yes, so for that I apply here edge flanges. And as a designer, here is a one question arises in your mind. So which question get it? So I am going to tell you in just few minutes. This is our door, right? And if anyone is opening this door by human hand, so there is a chances of this sheet metal is harmful for him. So for that, covering this edges, we have to give some angle here. Like you can see here, it is going downward side. Look, after I apply for 135, it is going downward, so it will be no harmful for any human. So that is the real thing for designer when he is making a real thing. Yes. Okay, so after we have created hole in the our previous video, which is part 3, casing. So right now we have to apply here extrude something, means we have to make some part here, so which will be going hinge in that. So for that, give it dimension first to this circle, and okay, firstly check its center point. Okay, so go on evaluate and measure this 3D dimensions. Yes, measure. Yes, which is around 20.65. so for that, aroundly I am going to apply here 10.25. okay, which is nearly that. So okay, it is created little bit in center. Okay, now what will I do? Yes, I will extrude it up to 10 mm. Yes, so okay it after. Yes, after making this, I want to create it also in bottom part. So for that I am going to mirror it. So for that, choosing a plan and selected its upper and bottom surface, so it will automatically create it in between of the center. So after that, we have to create this one mirror. So for that, go in mirror entities and select that part. Select this one. What happening here? Okay, try one time. Okay, firstly select this mirror plane. Okay, now it is created, you can see here. So after making this, if you don't want to see this plane, so go on plane and right click on it and hide it. Okay, now here is only one thing is remaining, which is handle. So you can also take from making another wood, but right now I created here which is mostly made from Swift. So okay, I am creating here by using Swift command. So let's see and learn it. Yes, firstly I am giving plan to make it. So for that I am taking plan from that side surface up to 60 mm. Yeah, now I want to create it one line here. So for that I am going to normal it and make it some line here. Yes, choose it. Yes, yes, make it. Now I have made it. Now apply dimensions to fix it. So go on smart dimension and apply here. Yes, okay, go on features and after sweep base use, we can directly use by circular profile. So you don't want to create any another entities. You can directly go with circular profile. Yes, this thing is new updated. Yes, now I want to apply here fillet. So for that I am going again in it and choose here fillet. Yes, choose its corner. Yes, now it is created. Here is also one great thing for designer, that we never ever get corner like this type of things. We have to always fillet that things. Any sharp edges we have to remove from our making product. Okay, so okay, I have done that, and again this plan is here. Yeah, handle is okay, I think. Okay. Okay, so firstly apply material in it. Apply it. Okay. Okay, coating material you can also apply by going on appearance. Apply here. Yes. If you want to change that color, so again you can go with it and choose sweep here. Go edit appearance and click here black color. I have chosen black, but if you want to change that color you can go with it. Yes, now give it surface different color so we can make or attract that customer. Yes, hide that plan, it is unwanted. Yes, right now. So we have created this one as per our recommendation, and now we want to save it. So give it name. So we have make this whole playlist in our video, so you can go with it and you can learn also these 3 parts. Okay.
Hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.